leadsmen calling out the depth markings so we can avoid running aground. Mark Twain! Mark Twain is not just the name of a riverboat or a great American author. It also means the water here is 2 fathoms deep. That means it's safe enough for us to proceed on our steam-powered journey along the rivers of America. On our trip, we'll visit the magnificent. I'll be sure to point out interesting sights along the way, and even tell you about a legend or two. We begin our trip right here on the mighty Mississippi. The Columbia set sail from Boston Harbor in 1787. She grounded Cape Horn and became the first American ship to carry the Stars and Stripes around the river. The most famous landmark in this area is Splash Mountain, named for the fact that everyone seems to have a splashing good time when they visit. Splash Mountain is part of Critter Country, a remote wilderness filled with tall pines, rustic buildings, backwood bayous, and one of those tall tales we often. Off the port side of the river is a wide sharing the story all of us do. It's telling the tale of how a woodpecker taught a young tribesman to take a hollowed-out branch and turn it into the most glamorous of musical instruments, the flute. It's a legend the Lakota have passed down from generation to generation.